Hey you guys, I am Disha. Welcome back to my channel, and I know it's been a long time since I last posted any video here, but here I am with a new video. And आज का video is a small Miniso haul. And if you're not aware of Miniso एक Japanese brand है जो बहुत innovative products बनाता है at a very good pricing. And recently I visited this outlet in Delhi and I shopped few products from there. Let's quickly see what all things I brought. The first product I have with me is this pack of 2 makeup brushes. These are basically eyeshadow brushes and this retails for rupees 250. I'll just quickly open and show you the quality of the brushes, and the steel look it has, it's very unique. This is the quality of the brush. I was looking for some sturdy eyeshadow brushes from a long time. These are the 2 brushes I've bought from Miniso and I really like their look. Next product I have with me is this cosmetic scissors. It retails for rupees 190 and this is for getting rid of any unwanted facial hair. If you don't have time to get it waxed or so, you can just cut it then and there. If you have a close look, this scissor is not designed straight. It's a bit tilted for like if you're using it on your eyebrows, if you're getting rid of any unwanted hair on your eyebrows, so it would give you a clean look and it would be like easy to use. That's why it is tilted like this. So I really found this product useful. The next product I have with me is this Flawless Matte Lip Gloss. It retails for rupees 200 and the shade is nude pink. Let me show you. This is the shade. I'll swatch it and show you. The application and the texture is very amazing as compared to the pricing. This is the swatch. The only thing that did not match my requirement is I cannot just directly apply this lip gloss without mixing it with another shade because it is too light for my skin tone. The next product I have with me is this polka dot hairband. This retails for rupees 150 and this is for the days you want to apply a face mask or a face pack and then your hair just keep coming in the way. This is the solution for that problem. I'll quickly open it and show it to you. The hairband. The material is very soft. The elasticity is very good. It has a bow. This bow can be shifted. Overall, I like the product. Moving on to the next product I have with me is this pack of 20 powder puffs. They are basically makeup blenders, and blenders जितने भी हो कम पड़ जाते हैं. And this is a pack of 20 which is great and this retails for rupees 190. I'll quickly open and show you the quality of the puffs. The quality is great for blending your foundation or your powder, and the shape is designed in such a way like it's easy to use it like on your under eye areas. So again, I like this product. The next product I have with me are these oil absorbing sheets. They come in a pack of 2. This whole costed me rupees 190. And अगर आपकी भी skin मेरे जैसे oily है, then it's a good thing to carry around. Although it's nothing, I'll show you. It's butter paper cut into pieces. This is one sheet. It's nothing, it's butter paper cut into pieces. I thought कुछ special kind की oil absorbing sheets होंगी, but nothing like that. Also a tip, अगर oil के साथ like on your face, if you're sweating along with the oil, then this would not work. You have to wash your face or you have to use a handkerchief. This would only work if there is zara sa oil on your face, so you can tap it and remove that oil. Not very happy with the product, but yeah, it's okay. The next product is this pack of 10 plain black rubber bands, because this is again something we girls tend to lose a lot. And these are just simple rubber bands, black rubber bands. The elasticity is great and the material is also great. This costed me 90 rupees, 90 for 10 rubber bands, which is again a great deal. The next and the last product I have with me is this pack of 180 cotton pads. This costed me rupees 150, and this is a normal cotton pad. You can use this to remove your makeup, or you can use this to apply any you can use this to apply a toner on your face. So it's a kind of multi-purpose thing. You can also use it to remove your nail paint. So it's like a multi-purpose cotton pad. The quality of the pack is the quality of the pad is very good, and also it comes in pink color. That's it, you guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comment section कि इन सब चीज़ों में से कौन सी चीज़ आपको सबसे best लगी. And yes, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I regularly post content there. This is my Instagram handle. Do check it out once. And also, अगर there is no Miniso outlet in your city, तो आप Miniso के products Amazon और Flipkart पे भी check कर सकते हो. They have recently started selling on Amazon and Flipkart as well. Although Amazon and Flipkart पे इतनी variety नहीं होती है जितनी outlet में होती है, but yes, you can find some useful stuff and some great stuff out there on Amazon as well. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.